Good morning, students. Today we are going to do your practice set 29, lesson number 6. We have done practice set 28 in the last video, and we have understood the many formulas which we have done. So now one more formula is there. Is what? See here, if a into b the whole raised to m, it means a raised to m and multiply by b raised to m also. It means both the powers are having what? Same, this one, m. Like this, see here, if a upon b the whole bracket raised to m, if a upon b the whole bracket of any power, it means the a power is m and b power is also m. So a raised to m upon b raised to m. दिस होल ब्रैकेट मीन्स वॉट? दोनों की पावर जो है वो सेम है, और यहाँ पर भी मल्टीप्लाई में भी दोनों की पावर सेम है. अंडरस्टूड? एंड वन मोर थिंग, सी हियर, इफ ए इज नॉन ज़ीरो रैशनल नंबर एंड m and n आर इंटीजर्स, देन a raised to m the whole bracket raised to n. This bracket means multiply. Bracket का मतलब क्या होता है? ये multiply means m multiply by n. These two powers are multiply with each other. So formula is what? A raised to m the whole bracket raised to n is equals to a raised to m into n. It means a raised to mn. M multiplied by n is what? Mn. So now we will start what? Practice set 29. First question, simplify. We have to simplify these questions by using these formula. By using this formula, a raised to m the whole bracket raised to n is equals to a raised to m into n is equals to a raised to mn. Learn it. So see here, 15 upon 12 raised to 3 and the whole bracket raised to 4. This bracket or this bracket, it means what? Multiply. So what we will do? We will just do what? Multiply their powers. What we will do? We just multiply their power. Don't do this. See how will we write? 15 upon 12 the whole bracket what? 3 into 4. ये क्या हो जाएगा? 3 into 4, क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला पढ़ा है क्या है? m the whole bracket raised to n means what? Their powers will multiply with each other. So 3 raised to 4. Now multiply the powers. So it becomes 15 upon 12. 3 4s are 12. Only this much you have to do. See this one. 3 raised to 4. The whole bracket raised to minus 2. 2 powers are there. So what we will do? Brackets are there. So we will do what? 3 raised to 4 into minus 12. So 3 raised to 4 2s are 8 and plus minus minus. Minus 8. 3 raised to minus 8. See this one. 1 upon 7 raised to minus 3 the whole bracket raised to 4. सिर्फ आपको इसके पावर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ये नंबर आपको ऐसे ही लिखना है. सो 1 अपॉन 7 रेज टू व्हाट? minus 3 into 4. 1 upon 7. 3 4s are 12. Minus plus minus. So 1 upon 7 raised to minus 12. Understood? Say this one. 2 upon 3 raised to minus 4 the whole bracket raised to 5. So what we will do? 2 upon 3 what? Minus 4. This bracket also means what? Multiply 5. So 2 upon 3. 4 5s are 20 and minus plus minus. This is in which form? Plus form. And this is in which form? Minus. So minus plus minus. 4 5s are 20. Is it easy? Yes. It's very easy. 3 upon 4 we will write the base as it is 3 upon 4. 6 multiply by 1. 6 multiply by 1. So the answer becomes 6 ones are 6. Have you understood how to solve these questions? Complete it in your notebook, students. Now, next, write the following numbers using positive indices. I have taught you in the last video, if their powers are in what negative form, if the powers are in negative form, so what we will do, we will write 1 upon then 2 upon 7, then it will be positive like this. 2 upon 7 पावर इसका किस में है, -2. जब पावर माइनस में रहेगा तो आप कैसे लिखोगे, इसी को 1 upon 2 upon 7 raised to 2. इट मीन्स वॉट, ये आपको मैं थोड़ा डीपली समझा रही हूँ, उसके बाद वाला क्वेश्चन में हम लोग डायरेक्ट करेंगे. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 upon 7 raised to 2. 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 upon 7 raised to 2. सो 1 ये डिवाइड क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स में क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई, देन 7 जो है वो उल्टा हो जाएगा, 7 upon 2 हो जाएगा, देन ये पावर एज इट इज़. सो 7 1 ज़ा 7, 7 upon 2 raised to 2. बस ये मेथड से ये आंसर आता है. अब हम लोग डायरेक्ट आपको इजी वे में मैं बताती हूँ आपको कि जब पावर -2 में होगा तब आपको क्या करना है, इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स करना है और ये माइनस प्लस में हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 11 upon 3. सो 11 upon 3 क्या हो जाएगा, 3 upon 11 और ये माइनस का क्या बन जाएगा, 5. अंडरस्टूड. चाहे आपको अभी डायरेक्ट ऐसे समझाए तो आप डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हो. अगर आपको ये मेथड समझाए तो ये इसका डीपली मेथड है जिसकी वजह से ये आंसर आया है. अंडरस्टूड. सी दिस वन, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6 raised to -3. What we have to remove this minus and we have to change in the positive power. So what we will do, we will do multiplicative inverse. So 6 upon 1, the whole bracket raised to what, 3. 6 upon 1, आप ये भी आंसर लिख सकते हो और यू कैन राइट दिस वन आंसर, बोथ आर सेम. सी दिस वन, y raised to -4. y raised to -4, इट मीन्स वॉट, 1 upon y raised to 4. माइनस की साइन मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बताया ना, माइनस हटाने का तो हम इसको किस में लेते हैं, 1 upon में लेते हैं वो नंबर. सो 1 upon y raised to 4. Is that clear to you all? Write it in your notebook. Now let's move on to the next practice set 30. Here we have to find out the square root. What is square root? What is the symbol of square root? Say this is the symbol of square root. This is called square root of 324. Like this. When we put this, it means square root. इसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है, that means 2 है. इसका पावर कुछ नहीं है, ऑर्डर कुछ नहीं है, दैट मीन्स 2 है. सी स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9801, 9801. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 25. हाउ वी विल रीड, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 36. कैसे पढ़ते हैं इसको, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 36. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 25. सो हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दीज नंबर्स. सो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दीज नंबर्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, first we will see the factorization which we have learned. See, like this form, and here we will write the number 625. Now multiply it, divided the number by what, by 5. 5 ones are 5, 1 is remaining, then it becomes 12. 5 twos are 10, it becomes 25. 5 fives are 25. Again we'll take by what, 5. 5 twos are 10, 2, then 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5. Now what are the factors of 625? So we have to find out the square root. So that's why we will put this number in the square root. What we are finding? Square root of 625. So, or you can only write the number like this form. What are the factors of 625? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. How many times? 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Students, these are the factors of 625 and we have to find out the square root of 625. So because of square root we will pair the numbers of 2. हम लोग दो दो नंबर का पैर बनाएंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या है? स्क्वायर रूट है, यानी इसका पावर क्या है? 2 है, इसीलिए दो दो नंबर का पैर बनाएंगे. दिस 2 एंड दिस 2, हियर दिस 2 एंड दिस 2. सो जो दो नंबर है उसको हम लोग कितनी बार लिखेंगे? 1 टाइम. एंड ये दो 5 को कितनी बार लिखेंगे? 1 टाइम. सो 5 5 ज़ा 25. So the square root of 625 is what? 25. When you multiply 25 by 25 you will get 625. जब आप 25 को 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको ये आंसर मिल जाएगा. So 25 का स्क्वायर क्या है? 625. एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 625 क्या है? 25. क्लियर? नाउ सी वन मोर क्वेश्चन. 1205. First we will see the what? First we will see the factors of 1255. See 1225. हम लोग किससे लेंगे? 5 से ही लेंगे बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्या है? 5 है. 5 2 ज़ा 10, 2 is remaining. 5 4 ज़ा 20, again 2 is remaining. Then 5 5 ज़ा 25. Again we will take 5. 5 4 ज़ा 20, 4 is remaining. Then 5 9 ज़ा 45. Then कौन से नंबर से जाएगा ये? 7 से. 7 7 ज़ा 49, 7 1 ज़ा 7. Now first we will see which are the factors of 1225. 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Write it here. 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. These are the factors of 1225 or 1225 and we have to find out the square root of 1225. So we will make pair of 2 like this form and write only once. So 5 7s are 35. What is the square root of 1225? 35. Is that clear to you all? और वन मोर थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, आपको एक और एक चीज़ याद रखना है कि जब हम लोग स्क्वायर रूट में अगर if we write the numbers in square root, if we write the factors in square root like this form 5 into 5 into 7 into 7, जब हम लोग उसको उसमें से बाहर निकालते हैं तो हम लोग स्क्वायर रूट नहीं लगाते और इसकी पैरिंग करके उसको 1 टाइम बाहर लिख देते. अंडरस्टूड? सो इसके ऊपर वापस से स्क्वायर रूट नहीं लगाना है आपको, क्योंकि ये स्क्वायर रूट है किसका? 1225 का. हमने इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लिया है, इसलिए यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट नहीं लगेगा, सिर्फ यहाँ पे ही आपको स्क्वायर रूट लगाना है क्योंकि आपने इसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट किया जो कि क्या है? 35. क्लियर? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू फोर्थ वन. 4096. First we will see the factors of 4096. So it will divide by 2. First we will take what? 2. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 4s are 8, then 1 is remaining, 2 8s are 16. Again 2, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Have you understood? These are the factors of 4096. So first we will write the factors of 4096. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I have written here wrong. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times. Write the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12. Now make the pair of 2. These two we will write only one time. 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 Now multiply it. These are the what? Square root of 4096. So square root of 4096 is equals to what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 13 2s are 32, 2s are 64. So square root of 4096 is what? 64. When you multiply 64 by 64, you will get again this one. So square of 64, 4096. But square root of 4096 is what? 64. I hope you all have understood. And these two questions is your homework. This one and this one. So complete it in your notebook, which is very, very important. I hope you all have understood. Thank you so much, students.